Hi, everyone. So today I wanted to go over the project I've been working on. Here we have an example of the classic game Brick Breaker, where the game is just to try and hit the ball off the paddle to be able to break as many bricks as possible. So I've actually done this game before in Python, but I wanted to try it again in Java because I've never worked with Java before. And so this was a very good learning experience for that. I feel like I got a really good idea of the Java language, the syntax, the environment. I got a good idea of Java imports, and it was a really good game for me to make to get a very good basic introduction of Java design and working with color and things like that. So I'll go ahead and explain a little bit of the code here. Here we have the main Java class. So this just kind of gives us the frame that our game is going to be in. We set the bounds of the game, the title, and we connected this to our other classes. So here we have the gameplay. We see a lot of imports here. So these first couple control the graphics and the color that we'll be designing with. And we have our action event, action listeners. These help with user control with the keyboard input to be able to actually control the paddle. We have the Java AW2 rectangle that just helps us again with the design. We have the JPanel again from the main, and the Java timer, which helps us start our game. So here we just kind of define our number of bricks we want, define our timer, and our X and Y position for our player and our ball. And then this goes into how we actually start the game. And just more functions for our bricks and for our direction of the ball, how we actually want it to move. Here we see the design, how we add our color. And so we define, this is for our borders around. We just set that to the color black. And then we have our color set for our paddle and our color set for our ball. And here, like I said before, we go through our actual actions, how we make the ball move, how the user can actually control the paddle. And so I'll just scroll down through some of that. So we have our move left, move right down here. And then our last class, again, we have our kind of graphic imports here. And this kind of goes more for the design of our actual bricks. How many bricks we want. We have a loop here to actually draw the bricks. If I remember right, we have 21, so we go through and it'll draw the bricks in rows. So I'll go ahead and run that so you can see. There we go. And so you can actually use the keyboard, and once you hit left or right, it will start the game. And that's really it. Thank you.